foundation course, we have intensive training which leads up towards a performance, and I'm heavily involved in creating those shows, which is really rewarding just to see people go from not really knowing very much to going right through and putting on shows, and something they can be really proud of.
The teachers are great, this course is great, like I'm really happy that I've done this course, it's well worth the money and I'd recommend it to anyone who wanted to do it.
It's really fun to work in AirCraft. It's a really lovely environment. Everyone's nice and everyone wants to kind of help you.
It's really fun. The younger ones more about playing and discovering Circus, and the older ones we can work on some really nice stuff. Aside from that, I also take classes here, so adult classes. So I take intermediate rope. I've been doing that for 3 months. Did some silks as well, did some hoop. Basically you can come and train everything you want, which is what we're doing right now.
I really loved it. Before I came here, I was contortionist only, and I came here to learn every other stuff, hand balancing, acrobat, and my favorites at the moment, silk.
We start from the age of 3 and we go up to the age of 17, and after that they can go on to the adult classes or the full-time foundation courses. Do you like trapeze? Yeah. And in the last circus show, what did you do? Yeah, who did you do it with?